everyone. Welcome to Heidi's home. So I went to Aldi's today this evening, and I am tired. And I'm telling you, I've been going to the gym and my legs hurt so bad. And I couldn't wait to get home, but I wanted to film this for you guys before I put up the perishables and share with you my Aldi haul, because I know you guys like to see what I purchased. So they have a lot of Christmas stuff. I didn't buy a lot of Christmas stuff, but if you are looking to score some really neat advent calendars and things like that, they have it. So I got some peppermint Hershey Kisses. I love this candy. It's so good. Whole milk. 2 things of hash browns. 2 things of it's like the Kraft singles, but it's their brand. 2 things of mild cheddar cheese. 2 things of hot dogs. A cabbage. Some grapes. 2 things of sour cream. I bought this for lunches this week. I thought it sounded really good. It's got Oreo M&M in it, and it sounded really good. I bought a butterball turkey. Some bacon. 2 things of Italian sausage, as well as ground beef. A thing of Ziploc bags. I've got some crackers there. I've got some, this is their brand of the Cheez-Its. So one is extra toasty and one is original. So this is the original one. 3 things of shredded wheat, because we've been enjoying eating cereal for breakfast before we go to the gym. It's better than not eating at all if I don't feel like cooking. So that is that. 2 things of baked beans. Some canned biscuits, as well as 2 things of the original cinnamon rolls. Got 2 cans of those. Got some real mayonnaise. Also got their brand of Spam. Grabbed another 2 of those. I wasn't out of that, but it's still on clearance, so I went ahead and I bought it because I like to stay stocked up on it. We really like it. Some cocktail sauce. Some olives. 2 things of sardines and hot sauce. Ronnie really loves this. Some apple pie filling for a recipe I'm going to be sharing with you guys. Evaporated milk. We've got pork and beans. We've got a couple cans of those. Yeah, pork and beans. Also got some cinnamon pine cones. They smelled so good, I had to buy some for the living room or where I'm going to put it. Some more olives. Some hot salsa. This is their organic. That's all they had in the hot. Some celery. Got me some cucumbers to munch on this week. It just sounded really good. Let's see what else here. We've got some chili sauce. Some bananas. A whole chicken. We've got some pecans. I love pecans. 2 things of yellow cake mix. A thing of club crackers. A thing of butter rounds, like Ritz crackers. It's just their brand. Another thing of regular crackers. That's the toasty Cheez-Its. 2 things of Pringles. This is just the original Pringles. We've been trying to avoid chips, but I feel like we don't eat as much if we buy those. We just have like a little handful with our sandwich or whatever. Then we have some tortilla chips. 2 dozen eggs. 2 things of wheat bread. And is that it? I think that's it. I feel like I went through that really, really quickly. But anyhow, I want you guys to see what I bought tonight. I'm going to put the perishable stuff up. I'm going to put my butterball in the freezer because it's too early for it. And yes, that's what I bought tonight. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll step back so you can see everything. I want to thank you for watching. And if you are new to Heidi's Home, hit that subscribe button. And I will be sharing more Aldi hauls in the future. Thanks so much for watching and have a blessed week. Bye, guys.